Some people want to happen, some wish it would happen, but Artemisia have made it happen.
After 1000 days, we are getting our lost pride back.
The success we are tasting today is due to the hard work of all the members who made this impossible feat possible.
On the road to success, there is always we, not me.
Do not think that you alone can achieve the things, but there's always another person who is standing behind you, maybe not coming on the forefront, but behind you, praying for you while supporting you. Never lose that person, never.
So let's recognize soldiers of Artemisia who never lost hope.
Where Artemisia stands in your life.
Where I would say my family stands, the same place.
આર્ટિમિશિયાએ મારા બિઝનેસને ગ્રો કરવામાં મને ખૂબ જ હેલ્પ કરી છે, એટલા જ આર્ટિમિશિયા એ મારી લાઈફનો ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ભાગ છે.
It is more than part of your life. It is infused in your life. It is routine of your life. So just like daily routine, if it's not there, something is missing.
Artemisia is like second family for me. So I got 55 new family members.
So Artemisia is the most important thing. Is if I would discuss about the body, where the heart stands, that is where the Artemisia stands for me.
One best thing Artemisia has given you.
Experience, connections, referrals and obliging friends.
આર્ટિમિશિયાથી મને સારું નેટવર્ક મળ્યું છે અને એ બીજે ક્યાંય મળ્યું નથી.
મોટિવેશન જે જીવનમાં બીજે ક્યાંયથી ન મળે એ આર્ટિમિશિયામાંથી મળ્યું.
આર્ટિમિશિયાએ મને બહુ સારા મિત્રો આપ્યા છે, એ જ મારી સાચી વેલ્થ છે.
Brothers, lifelong relationship, family where you can trust.
Good businessmen in terms of good friends.
Artemisia has given me almost 80 lakhs of business in the span of 2 years, and I have got many multiple friends and family through BNI Artemisia.
I was just trying to get in touch with BPC in 1 degree convention. The honor was right in front of me, was a BNI member, and immediately got connected and I got a business of 30 lakhs.
Your best experience in Artemisia.
Giving a mobile phone to Yash Vasant directly.
The amount of business I got from Artemisia, that is best for me.
It was ABL, जहाँ पे सिर्फ बिजनेस एंड बिजनेस ही होता है.
My dream referral was Torrent Pharma and I was connected there by BNI Artemisia.
લોકો સામેથી આપને રિસ્પોન્સ આપે છે કે ભાઈ હું આ કામ કરું છું, તમારું આ કામ છે તો હું તમને અહીંયા કનેક્ટ કરાવું છું. તો લોકો તમને વધારે ને વધારે બિઝનેસ માટે ફોર્સ કરે છે કે તમે બિઝનેસ કરો, અમે તમને આપીએ છીએ. તો આર્ટેમિસિયામાં સૌથી સારી વસ્તુ આ છે.
I have got business more than 5 crore rupees, and apart from that I made very good friends for the lifetime.
So Artemisia has helped me to connect with a lot of new corporates, and that has helped me to grow my business pan-India.
You just told your best experience in Artemisia, but what do you think? Will Artemisia be helpful 5 years down the line?
Yes, I will definitely grow more in next 5 years.
જે પ્લેટફોર્મ મને આર્ટિમિશિયાએ આપ્યું છે એ પ્લેટફોર્મ 5 વર્ષ તો શું પણ 10 વર્ષ સુધી પણ મને કામ લાગશે.
In last 5 years, I have seen my growth in a chapter as a professional, as a human being, and I have got multiple referrals which have multiplied many times by now. So I feel next 5 years it will be much more than helpful in getting referrals and business.
If one person's business will grow in 5 years, then here there are 50 business people. So their growth is my growth eventually.
Yes, not only after 5 years, but I think so in my overall lifespan it would be very much helpful for me.
And apart from business, why Artemisia is important to you?
Artemisia is giving me entertainment. यहाँ पे आपको लोग हंसाएंगे, रुलाएंगे, पर याद रखना जब ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो एक आर्टिमिशियन ही काम आएंगे.
Artemisia gave me some friends who spoiled me a bit, but on the other side, Artemisia gave me some mentors as well. So yes, both are important.
આર્ટિમિશિયાએ મને સારા એવા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ અને એક ફેમિલી સર્કલ આપ્યું છે જે મારા માટે બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે.
Artemisia adds discipline in my life.
Okay, now I would like to know about a moment when you bragged about Artemisia.
Almost every time.
That's easy. I bragged a lot about the we won the fastest growing chapter award in the symposium in 2018. That was one of the moments when we were able to brag about our chapter in the region.
Today, after my 5.5 year BNI journey, I had been recognized in region
only because I am a part of the Artemisia.
I bragged about Artemisia at every point of time in my life.
In front of all my friends, I always say Artemisia is an one-stop solution for all my problems.
Last but not the least, what should be the next goal of BNI Artemisia?
75 and going.
75 members.
75 plus member.
75 members.
75 members.
75 members.
75 members plus.
75 members.
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 75 plus members.
75 members.
Having 75 plus members.
75 Artemisia.
75 members.
75 plus members.